If you're looking for how to make a cryptocurrency cash cow channel, which will be going on in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you want to make money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a cryptocurrency niche channel, I want to start off by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we could draw some inspiration from. Let me switch over to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Now that I'm on YouTube, we have to think of what a person interested in cryptocurrency would look up. Now as I'm in the search results, I'm trying to look for a video that doesn't have someone behind the camera. So I'm gonna click this one. So let's see if this video is gonna take me to the moon or not. They got some free stock footage of just Bitcoin coins, you know, some stock market analytics right here. You got the chart going up and down. And there's also most likely a voiceover of just the person narrating what they're talking about in this video. They also got some money. And this is all free stock footage that you can find online on Google by just simply looking it up and easily downloading it. You can also do the voiceover for yourself by just speaking into your phone on a recording app and uploading it onto a software. Now let's go check out how the video is doing. The video is doing well as it has over 200,000 views. It has some good engagement, over 7,000 comments, and the channel itself has over 65,000 subscribers. Now let's check out the channel to see what type of content that they're uploading. As I go into their channel, they have a great analog of just different kinds of videos. They have Dogecoin, they have Elon Musk, and as I keep scrolling down, you know, they have some YouTube shorts. They have content around what coins to buy, like Shiba, with Dogecoin, and just different coins that can educate you on your cryptocurrency journey. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Comment down below what is in your investment portfolio. Now let's go check out how their monetization is going. How many views this channel is getting and how much money they're making in AdSense alone. So if I go onto this website, I can check out the channel statistics. So as I scroll down, I see that this channel is getting over 500,000 views just in the past 30 days. And just in ad revenue throughout the month, this channel is making close to $2,000 per month. And throughout the year, they're getting close to that 30K mark. Now, this is a great niche because it is a sub niche of the wealth niche. And there are also different ways of making money with just this cash cow channel. And this is just one way of making a profit through your cash cow channel. Just with ad revenue, there are other sources of making money with this type of cash cow channel, which we'll go over later in the video. The high amount of views also lets me know that there's a great audience interested in this channel and this niche. So your chances of going viral as well are very likely. If you guys are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's check out just how easy these videos are to make. Get in tune with your free stock footage, get in tune with your voiceover, your background music, or whatever you're gonna use for your audio. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just like putting together an NFT. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to uncover, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or the red light? I would say that cryptocurrency does get the green light. There is a large audience interested in this type of content, and it is also growing by the day, as not everyone knows exactly what cryptocurrency is. This niche is also a high CPM niche, and it is also a sub niche of the wealth niche. A bonus is that these videos are super easy to make, and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos that we went over in this video and the channels that we went over, I highly recommend using them as inspiration. Try to be a creative and original with your own content. This is also just one niche, and in many future videos we're going to be going and exploring other niches as well. But let's say cryptocurrency is the niche for you. You now have two options. You can do it yourself, but also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B. You can have access to the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with their YouTube automation. If you would be interested in accessing the step-by-step guide, I would highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe to TubeGrade if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace.